Let's meet Monique Feybesse. Alam nyo, she slayed Top Chef Season 19 and even won her round on Food Network Battles of the Decades. Chef Monique runs Tarts de Feybesse, combining French pastry skills with Filipino flavors. At ito pa, she is a 2025 James Beard Award semifinalist for Outstanding Pastry Chef or Baker. We're here with Chef Monique Feybesse.
So we're here with the French accent, Feybesse. Feybesse. The best.
Yes.
The best.
The best. That's how you remember.
Yes. Chef Monique Feybesse.
Yes.
So Chef Monique is from Top Chef Season 19, right?
That's right. I was a contestant there, yes.
And you're preparing...
I'm preparing my take on Ensaymada. So
Wow.
normally Ensaymada is soft and fluffy, but with a cheesy element as well as sweet and saltiness. This is my take, which is a crispy Ensaymada filled with a Brie Mousse, topped with Pili Nut Praline and Queso De Bola.
So Chef, is there an inspiration behind this dish?
Yes, I mean, everyone loves Ensaymada, right? So I think my take on Ensaymada is very modern, but we are playing with textures. We're playing with the elements of Ensaymada which we love, and that's the broad taste from across, whether it's salty, sweet, crunchy, soft. I'm trying to bring it in a completely new way, but still pay homage of what we know as Ensaymada.
Yeah. How did it all come to this? Like, what's the story behind this? Like, were you just in your couch and then you were like, oh, maybe I should do this? How did you conceptualize this?
No. So but I was trained as a savory chef in fine dining restaurants, in some of the best restaurants in the world.
Wow.
France and Copenhagen, in the US. And so we focus on really high techniques. And I think you can see it with this, just the elements here, right? There's Brie Mousse, we cook it at an exact temperature, so it's really nice and creamy. The technique of making the air baguette, which we say where it blows up, and then I drill actually a hole. You don't see it. I drill a hole inside to fill it. That way you don't see what's going on. The drapiness of this, you're just making it fly, and I think that's what my cuisine is. It's very modern, but very elegant too. Not too much, but it really does make sense with the crispiness.
Wow, I'm really excited to try that.
And me too.
Please.
And it's so easy to, eat. It's just one bite and you're good.
You have to eat it in one bite. Okay? You have to.
You have
It doesn't make sense if you don't.
All right. Oh my goodness. Why am I so excited for this? Hold up. All right.
It's not too sweet.
Oh, it has some weight to it.
Because it's filled, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Right. Cheers.
Yeah! So good! Yes, girl! Not too sweet, but it's amazing. Yes. So you don't know whether it's a dessert or something,
Savory.
Yeah.
You don't know, right?
Yeah.
And that's what Ensaymada is. It can be eaten at all times.
Yeah.
Right?
Filling is so soft and
luscious.
I can't explain it. How do I explain it? I'm lost for words.
Yeah,
Hold up.
delicious.
Wow. Kakaibang Ensaymada talaga, Tig. As in, dito nyo makikita kung gaano ka-creative yung mga chef talaga. Their imagination, lahat, no?
Sobrang surprised ako with the filling.
Yeah, it's the feeling.
First bite, then
Yeah, it melts in your mouth.
yeah, it pops.
Yeah.
So it's really different Ensaymada with a twist.
Yeah, crunchy. Yun yung hint. Crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy.
Loves it. O, kita-kits tayo dyan, ha? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chef.
Enjoy.